Do you make home-cooked meals or do you just eat McDonald's every night? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make chicken thighs. First step is turn on your stove. You want to have about a medium-high heat, nothing too hot, nothing too cold. Second step is you want to pour olive oil into a pan. Let that olive oil heat up, and whenever it moves around very easily, you know it's ready. After your olive oil moves around pretty easily, you want to slap your thighs on the pan. First, you want to kind of open them up like this and put them in the pan. Now, after your chicken thighs are in the pan, grab your favorite rub or any seasoning. I prefer to use a sweet and smoky rub and just coat those thighs generously. After your thighs have been cooking for roughly 2 to 3 minutes, you're gonna wanna flip them each over and then season this side the same as you did before. After this side has been cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes, you wanna flip it back over and cook to temperature. I recommend investing in a meat thermometer. You want to have chicken to be around 160 degrees Fahrenheit. First, you want to insert it in about an inch in and wait until you see 160 Fahrenheit. Now, when you've waited a little bit longer, you can check them again. This one's done. This one's done. And so is this one. When you're ready to take them off, just grab a plate and let them rest for a couple of minutes. Now you can cut in, see that thoroughly cooked chicken, and stay away from the Big Macs now.